here we go. Good luck, Derek. We're going to go boxes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is WWE Topps Chrome Blaster Boxes. 7 packs plus 3 exclusive X-Factor parallel cards. Good luck, Derek. Trading cards. In the one pack. Let's save that for the end. Ted DiBiase, Shayna Baszler, Billy Kay, Andrade. Mankind defeats The Rock to win the WWE Championship. Joaquin Wilde. Cesaro, Daniel Bryan, Carl Anderson, Xavier Woods. Natalya, Samoa Joe, Seth Rollins, and Shorty G. Angel Garza, Dexter Loomis, Mia Yim, Ruby Riott, Pete Dunne, Ronda Rousey, Undertaker versus Finn Balor, Kushida, ooh, got an orange, John Cena, and 12 of 25, Kevin Nash. Big Sexy. On the Rock. We'll do that. Rhea Ripley rookie. Let's see what this pack is. Just get a bunch of X Factors. Roderick Strong, you got Sasha Banks and Ricochet. Make you taking advantage of me. Why don't you just use the coupon? Come on now. There's an attempt at robbery down the street. Why don't you use the coupon, Mickey? Ugh. Big Sexy. You want to buy some Vancouver cards off of me, Derek? I figured you could use them better than I can sell them. Here. Amber Moon Refractor. Road Dogg, Jesse James, Biggie. Jinder Mahal defeats Randy Orton. Nice. You don't sell the Canucks cards? Gotcha. Randy Orton. You don't get a lot of guys asking for the Canucks cards up there? Carmella, Shayna Baszler. Green, 51 of 99, King Corbin. And Joaquin Wilde. Angel Garza rookie, Dexter Limas rookie, Hitman Hart and Daniel Bryan and Xavier Woods again. Sup, Darren? Let's see what our X-Factor pack is. We got King Corbin, Luke Gallows, and Sami Zayn. All right, sounds good. I'll show it to you. I think it's right here. I'll show it to you in a second. They're right here and right next to them, actually. Gerald Briscoe, Tony Storm. Mia Yim, Pete Dunne, NXT champion Kevin Owens defeats United States champion John Cena, Velveteen Dream. Randy Orton, Peyton Royce. I don't know who's on that card. Lacey Evans. I can't see who is on that card. Carmella, Braun Strowman. We got Charlotte Flair and Kairi Sane. Keith Corbin, Luke Gallows, Sami Zayn, Ember Moon. A blank front card. Undertaker, Bianca Belair, Undertaker vs. Finn Balor, Biggie. Oh, you mind if I keep this one? We got Montez Ford, Marcel Barthel, and Alexa Bliss. You let me know. And I can send it. Thank you, sir. Alright, we got Shorty G, Ruby Riott, and Kushida. NXT Kushida. That was the three blaster boxes. You did get 2 number cards. Jeez. Kevin Nash and King Corbin. Very nice. Good stuff. Thank you, Derek. Appreciate it, sir.